Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Code with Sunny, and in this video we will be talking about the problem add two numbers, and that is totally related with the linked list. We would be given some numbers where the digits are in the form of a node, that is node value is containing that digit. That is overall view, the linked list will be representing the number. Okay, so we are given two non-empty linked lists representing two non-negative integers, and the digits are stored in reverse order and each of their nodes contain a single digit, right? And add the two numbers and return the sum as a linked list. You may assume that the two numbers do not contain any leading zero except the number 0 itself. Okay, so I will talk about all these, the examples in this video. For now, let's look over the constraint, how it is going to help. The total number of nodes in each of the linked list is in the range 1 to 100, right? And the values, since it contains the digits, will be from 0 to 9. Okay, so let's understand how we are going to do that. Okay, so you can see I have taken this example from this taken this from the samples, right? Now you can see we have actually the numbers as 3 4 2, and the the other number is 4 6 5. Okay, so these are the two numbers. When we add them, you can see it is like a schoolwork. You must have been studied in your school time, like you need to add the numbers present over at the unit place, that is 5 plus 2, which is 7, and the carry would be 0 over here. Then you add these three numbers 5 4 and 0, including that carry, it is 9. So you would place sorry, it is not actually 5, it is actually 6 4 and 0, right? It is actually 10. So you will write 0 over here and carry would be 1, right? So again 4 plus 3 7, and it is plus 1 8. Okay, so your number is actually 807, right? So let me write down. So you need to return this number in the form of linked list in a reverse order, that is 7 0 and this is 8. So this would be your answer, right? So you can see these numbers, these nodes have contained the digits in the reverse order, that is 2 4 3, 2 4 3, and again 5 6 4, and see 5 6 4. So we need to return the sum of these two numbers. You can see we are going to do it by unit place, starting from the unit place, then to the tens place, and so on. Okay, so yeah, also if you are done with this problem, I would strongly recommend you to move over to this section called similar questions. You will find the second version of this problem, add two numbers, second part. You can see I've also solved this problem today, so I would also strictly recommend you to do that one also. Okay, so let's understand how we are going to do that. You can know the sum part. So you can see what I will do is, like, I will make a new head that would represent the head of that linked list, which is actually holding the sum, new head. Okay, and we'd be also having the previous variable that is storing the node's address of the previous node in the sum of a linked list, that is our resultant answer. So when we add these two numbers 5 and 2, you will see I have the value 7. So I will make a new node, and since there doesn't exist any node, this will be the head node. Okay, so this will be the head node, right? So when we add these two numbers, it goes up to 7, and carry will go to the next part, which is 1. So again, when we add 6 and 4, which becomes 10, I will place 0 over here, and my previous node would be this one. I will make its next pointer to the current node, and also we are going to make a new node over this position also. So it would be 7 0, right? Now my previous pointer will change to this position, right? And my carry would go forward. Sorry, I think 5 plus 2 7, and carry will be 0 over here, right? So when we add them, 6 4 is 10, so 0, and now carry goes 1 to the next position, right? Now 4 plus 3 7 plus 1 8. Okay, now we have the value that will be written over here is actually 8. Okay, so this will be a new node that would be present over here, and we assign previous next to the current node. Okay, and here we are done. You can see there are no more values that is being left over. Suppose the carry is still some value, like suppose it 4 plus 3 is some greater than or equal to 10. In that case, carry will have some value after that, then we will assign that to the right up to that over this position, right? You can do that in that way also. So okay, finally we need to return the this head address of this sum of the linked list. So let's understand how we are going to implement all that efficiently in the linear time and the linear space. Okay, so I'm taking this okay, so let me open up in the new window. That would be quite good for to understand. Yeah, so you can see time complexity is O of n, space complexity is O of n, and I have a carry variable also that is going to store what is the next value that is being carried forward. So new head will be null pointer and previous will be null pointer. So I will run the loop, this while loop, till both of them becomes null pointer, right? So I will write down the condition L1 is not equal to null pointer or L2 is not equal to null pointer. So A and B will be storing the values at the respective places of the numbers that we need to add, that is the unit place, tens place, and so on. So if L1 is not a null pointer, I will make assign A as L1's val and move L1 to its next position. Similarly, I will do that for the L2 and B will store that value corresponding to that. Suppose if one of the pointers is a null pointer, the value will be 0. Okay, so that would manage all the cases, corner cases, if you can have. So I will find out the current value that would be in the sum linked list, which is a plus b plus carry mod 10, and carry will be modified as a plus b plus carry divided by 10. So I'll make a new node right over here with the value as current. So if new node is a null pointer, new head would become like new head is a null pointer, I will make that as new head, the current node. Otherwise I will assign previous next as the current node, and we need to also modify each time the previous node. Okay, now also if carry is a non-zero number after all that operation ends, then you need to also assign make a new node and assign previous next as that node, right? And finally return the new head, which should be the sum of the linked list. So you can see all the test cases will pass. So if you guys have still any doubts, you can reach out to us through the comment section of the video, and thank you for watching this video.